One of the things that the COVID-19 lockdown revealed was the fact that it was okay to get things wrong. Not every organisation had the 100% technology in place to enable their teams to work from home, but we adapted and did what we needed to do to meet the circumstances that we were provided with. Sometimes it's not until we're faced with a situation like this that we really become a bit more innovative in how we collaborate and communicate. But now as we start to lift out of lockdown and get back to what will be a new normal that'll evolve over time, we need to use this as a springboard or a platform to be able to do things differently. It's an opportunity for us to change how we collaborate, how we work, how we share ideas and information. What are you doing in your organisation to share ideas and information and to learn and grow and create something new and different and better, not only for yourselves and your teams, but for your end customers as well? If you'd like some assistance with getting your team thinking a little bit differently with technology post-lockdown, I'd love to help.